Need a secure cargo trailer to protect your equipment, maybe haul your tools or your toys? Enclosed trailers are highly versatile tools, and we use them for a variety of different uses. So, first, hauling toys such as motorcycles, ATVs, and side by sides. Another use is landscaping for hauling mowers and landscaping equipment. And then, of course, tools for mobile workspaces for contractors. You can haul your materials and your tools to and from the job site. And then mobile businesses. Enclosed trailers are very customizable for mobile office trailers, vending trailers, or even concession trailers. And then, of course, the uses for enclosed trailers, the list can go on and on and on. So, a few benefits for for using an enclosed trailer for your hauling needs. So, first, weather protection. Some items just shouldn't get wet, and others should be protected from road debris like flying gravel. So, whether you're hauling furniture, tools, or a show car, an enclosed trailer will offer the protection that an open trailer just can't offer. And then security. You can lock your enclosed trailer, keep your cargo safe, especially if you need to leave it on the job site or in the driveway while it's loaded with all your valuables. And this provides peace of mind, of course, when transporting valuable equipment or goods. And then safety. So with an enclosed trailer, you don't need to worry about items falling off in transport. Yes, of course, we need to tie down those large items like motorcycles, ATVs, or cars. But if you have small items that fall off in transport, it will stay in the trailer rather than flying down the road. So at NC Trailers, we make financing enclosed trailers simple, fast, and hassle-free. So you can choose from secured loans, rent to own, and even layaway options. We have fast approvals for all credit types, including no credit check options. You can spread out that monthly payment and get the trailer that you need today. You can finance your E-Track, your locks, your straps, your registration, and any other accessories you need into one low monthly payment. Our fast and easy financing program will save you time and keep more money in your pocket. You simply apply, sign, and drive. And since 1996, NC Trailers has sold and serviced over 10,000 trailers. We're the #1 rated dealer in the Carolinas with over 1,400 5-star Google reviews. And with over 400 new and used trailers in stock, our family owned business specializes in getting the best financing options for contractors, for businesses, for farmers, for adventure seekers, and everyone in between. So if you want more details, check out our ultimate guide to enclosed trailer financing. And if you're ready to go ahead and get started with financing your enclosed trailer, give us a call or fill out our Get Financing form, and we'll get you rolling with that perfect enclosed cargo trailer today.